Hi guys, welcome. Guys, now we want to talk about one thing that very special that we created in Brasília, capital city from Brazil. So we are part of user groups in Brazil. So we have a challenges that create fun events, so many tasks, many processes to do. And what think, oh, how can you use AWS services to improve more and create one thing and centralize that with diverse services and keep more energy in things that very are special, that care people, engaged people. So I'm Priscila Araújo, I'm business developer at Claro Brasil, and today we have
Dan Rezende. I'm a solutions architect and leader of community, AWS community in Goiânia.
Nice. So guys, we are more than 400 groups around the world. In Brazil, more than 20. So we have very challenge that to create, have fun events. Many tasks and process and platforms. So as you can see, we are defining events details, speakers, dates, registrations, design, schedule, registration, so many tasks, more than 20. How can we do this one place and use AWS? Is the challenge. So we have some communities and deliveries. Now in this year we have a famous event from AWS called AWS Summit in São Paulo. So now, São Paulo, we did one special MVP. We sent a lot of messages to people around in the event and call them to engage in the community lounge. It's amazing. So a lot of message that we sent to them and game and interact with us. It's cool. And now we have two events that we did in Brasília, and one without the platform, and another with the platform. So we can check some details and data that show us that it's work. So now we can see one message that we sent to the people through the WhatsApp. And we have some data that show us that it's very works in our community. So now in this side, we have 119 that you can see the 9 here, 109 views in the first event. In the other side, we have more, 37% more views because we send message in second event. In the other hand, we have a lot of like it. People like more that we can see. So people like more, 28 more are posted in our networks after that receive the message through WhatsApp. Oh, we are Brazilian and we love a lot memes. So we send memes to our community lounge people in the AWS Summit in São Paulo, and then can check the QR code and then link it and can connect with us through this platform. Guys, how to use AWS to create fun? So now I can ask you then what you did.
The better part is now. Thanks, Pri. I'm going to demonstrate now how we evolved from a simple MVP into a production-ready architecture built on AWS. Our first MVP is intentionally simple. We use Amplify to speed up development, S3 for static content, and a basic API manages simple actions like event triggers and message. Amplify enable application development on AWS. S3 for assets, message and API gateway inside the EC2. CloudWatch for monitoring, very simple. This helped us the test, validate the idea fast, but I knew I wouldn't scale. This is a true MVP, very, very simple, but fast to test. But I have a challenge. Are more communities joined? We need better scalability, stronger security, and more flexible services to build new features faster. And then I'm called Priscila again. to involve the community for solve this challenge.
So we think, we have a lot of talent developers in our community. So we can use this strong force to create something together. So why the reason that we collaborated in communities in Brasília, Goiânia, São Paulo, Belém, and the other community users that create together one thing that we call it.
Yes. This collaboration guided to architecture, and I understood what you do need and define the next steps. Now I have this architecture. Product on read architecture built for multi-community platform. We decide to use Route 53 to host domain and manage DNS, CloudFront for CDN, delivery content and low latency anywhere in the world, WAF for security, protects the application for filtering malicious requests. The front-end layer is served by the S3 and CloudFront for fast and high available. Backend API run in ECS Fargate, deployed across multi-available zones. Backend and API runs inside the ECS on Fargate. Application load balancer routes and distributed the requests around the Fargate tasks. For network and security, use public and private subnets cross AZ for increased security, NatGator for connection on internet. For database layer, we use Amazon Aurora Multi-AZ to improve resiliency and availability. SCR stores image containers images. For notifications, SNS handles HTTP and the webhook notifications. SES for send transactions email like registration, confirmation, invites, new meetups, and the others. For observability, finally for observability, CloudWatch for metrics, alarms, and CloudWatch logs for ingest logs and the wherever. This architecture's preview provides scalable, reliable, and security inflexible architecture to support multiple AWS community. And now I'm production ready to scale. That's it, Priscilla.
So let's go. Let's talk about benefits. What kind of benefits we have with this platform. So now we can forget to send 20 or more messages to the people. We can just use the console to send message before or after the events and simplify. In the past, we used 10 or more inputs in different platforms. Now we can use in one place to do the whole process. And new ways to advise, connect people. Now we can use a platform to connect the people more efficiently. And I estimate more than 70 hours per year saved to keep more energy in the people, to engage with the people, to have fun. That's the goal. So now we have the face of our console that's called party community, because we have fun, we love so much to have a great moment together, and through this we can make a management of all events, community days, meetups, and summits, whatever the community wants to organize, we can do through this platform. So guys, if you want to connect with us, we have this path, our QR code. Feel free to connect with us. In this side, we have User Group Brasília, that group that I'm path as a leader and member. So guys, thank you for your job, you're a rock. And we have two User Group Goiânia.
Yeah.
That them as a path, and Paiva and David and the other guys and they are very partner with us. So if you want to connect with us and understand more our platform and our challenges, feel free to connect. It's a special moment that I will share with you. A lot of faces that help us a lot. We are diversity because we have a lot of younger girls work as a developer in our team only for free as a volunteer. A lot of commits in the GitHub. We have a GitHub too, and that we share a code and the other things. If you want to connect with them, feel free to follow him in their networks, okay? So thank you.
Yeah. Finally, it's fast.
Yeah.
So thank you. And the final message is, if you're interested in support project, if you have any idea, or if you have a skill to code, help you to increase the functionality in this platform and connect with us.
If you want to connect with us, here we have our QR code. Make market of me, please. Please, Santos, if you can connect with me or enjoy us in one meetup in Brazil, feel free to connect. And the Resende too, it's my partner, so thank you. You are very talented architect, so thank you. Have a fun event because the event is happening yet.
That's it. Thank you.